Okay, welcome back to another Discord.js tutorial video. Again, I know it's been a while, I've just not had the time at the moment, but in this video we're going to do a quick event handler. It shouldn't really be too long of a video. It's not as complicated as the command handler was, but it's not the most simple thing either. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your project, and in the handlers folder you want to create a new file called event.js. In this folder we're going to do const, open the curly braces, read the sync equals require fs. Then we're going to go module exports equals async client with an arrow function to curly braces. Then we're going to do read the sync. We're going to open the brackets and do some quotation marks. We're going to do /events /for each, open some brackets, file with an arrow function, curly braces. Then I'm going to do const events equals read the sync of the events directory again. Obviously we're going to create this directory in a minute. Then we're going to go after this and put .filter file with an arrow function. No, not the curly braces, just file, and file ends with .js. That's just going to go into a directory we'll create over here soon called events. Then we're going to do for let pull of events, and this is just going to pull the actual event files for us. Oh, sorry, no, we're not. Sorry, it should be pull. It should be let file of events. Sorry. Then we're going to do let pull equals require. We're going to do backticks. We're going to do /events $, open curly braces, file. Then we're going to do if pull.name client.events.set pull.name and pull, and then we're gonna else continue. Okay, and that should be our event.js file done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our index.js file, and where it says client.commands equals new collection, we're going to go underneath that and do client.events equals new collection. This is basically going to do the same as commands and create a new set that we can use. Make sure it's the same here. We're going to save that, and then we're also in this handler that we've got here, we're going to do comma space event. This has to be the same as the file name here. Now if we run the bot, it will error out because we don't have an events directory, and even if we did, it would run the events here, and this event handler is made so we can move these events out of this file. What we're going to do is we're going to create an events directory. So event, and the first event we're going to do is we're going to do the ready event, ready.js. You can call these different names. I like to call them the names of the event that they are. So the message create event, which is this one, I will call that file message create in this events directory. However, it's up to you what you call them. It's just better to call them things like this. And now in this ready.js file, we're going to do const client equals require. We're going to do .index.js because we're going to pull the client in, and we're also going to, I think we're going to have to do const events equals require discord.js. This is going to import what we need. The next thing we're going to do is we're just going to take this right here that I was highlighted already, we're going to copy it and just paste it in here. This is all we would need to do. So if we save that file, and then we're going to do the same for this message create event. So events, we'll go to message create.js. We'll do const client equals require, and then we're going to import the main file again, index.js. We're going to do const events equals require discord. Oh, I can't. Discord.js. And then we'll just paste in the message create function here as well. And the final thing we're going to do is I'm just going to comment these lines out for now using Control/ on the keyboard. And this should disable these events in here. And what we should see is that these events actually load from the event handler. Before that we start the bot, we need to make sure we import this activity type here. So we're going to do _ activity type in this Discord.js require field. And just to clean it up a bit, we're going to remove the imports we don't need from the main file. Because by removing that, it just makes it look a bit nicer. And now if we go to create a new terminal and we do node --dot, you see the bot loads the commands and the bot is logged in. And if we go to Discord from all of this and we do !help, we should see the bot responds and there are no errors in the console. So yeah, that's basically it for the event handler. It's really simple, and these are the only 2 events right now that we actually are using. However, we will start using other events like guild member join and interaction create and stuff later on in the series. Let me know in the comments what episode you'd like to see in the future, so I know what you would like help with making. Because we'll definitely be making a welcome system. We'll be making more complex commands in the future as well as / commands. Like this help command, for instance. Obviously, I know legacy commands are being removed, but this help command we can easily make a lot better by having it automatically register these instead of adding them by ourselves. But yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see in the comments.